Hi friends, welcome to ITpros official channel. Today we are going to see a topic on how to install Windows on Hyper-V virtual machine. So you should first enable Hyper-V virtual machine in your Windows OS. Hyper-V can be enabled in Windows 10, 11, Pro, Education or Enterprises Edition. In the previous video I have just given an example video how to enable Hyper-V. If you have any clarifications or doubts, you can able to see those videos. I will be giving it in my description. And you also need a Windows ISO file so that it can be installed inside the Hyper-V virtual machine. So just you click start, then you can able to search Hyper-V manager. Then you can just open it, Hyper-V manager. Then you right click on your Hyper-V machine, then click new, then you select new machine, then you click OK. Then you start giving your virtual machine name. I am just giving as ITpros. Then you click next. You specify the generation. You just click generation 2. This is a new Hyper-V machine features with support 64-bit operating systems also. So you click generation 2 type, second type. Then you click, then you start giving your RAM size. Minimum I'm just going to give 4 GB of RAM, 4094. I'm just giving 4 GB of RAM. Then you click next. If you need network connection, you can select the default switches. Then you click next. Then here new hard disk will be created, virtual hard disk will be created. Else you can also able to mount your existing hard disk also. Just I'm creating a new virtual hard disk here. Click next. Then here it provide an installation option. You can able to mount a ISO file now during the creation itself. I'm just now browsing a ISO file. I'm just going to burn here. I'm having two types of operating system, Windows 10 and 11. I'm just, for example, I'm going to now create Windows 10 using Windows 10. Then you click next. Here now we are going to complete the virtual machine wizard. Click finish. Now the configuration, hard disk and everything will be configured, and you can able to see the virtual machine. Now the virtual machine is in off state. Just right click, just you open it. Here you can see it is off state. Just once you click start, it will just start mounting your ISO file plus any key to boot it from your system. ISO file. This is getting starting. Here just getting starting. Press any key, then it will just starting to boot your Windows file here. Now you can able to see here Windows is starting booting. It's going to get installation. Now you can able to see the Windows setup file setup. Just you select your time currency based on your location. I am just selecting as India, English India, keyboard India. Then you just click, then you start it to install. Now the setup will be getting started. Depends upon your hardware RAM capacity, it will be getting started. I am just installing for a feature use only, so I'm just giving as I don't have a product key. Then you can select which type of operating system you need. In the previous videos I have just given how to download operating system from Microsoft site. I will also give in my description also. Just I'm now going to select Windows 10 Pro. Next, you can now Windows 10 Pro will be started loading. Just you agree the terms and notice license terms condition. Then you click, then you press next on it. Just start to format your hard disk. I'm just having a space of 127 GB. Just you start click and create a partition. Now Windows will be starting copying to your Windows file. Windows copying has been going. Depends upon your hardware, the installation will be faster. Installation will be getting faster. First Windows will be copied, then getting files ready for installation. Here percentage will be started running. Once this is completed, the features and updates, and it will be get finishing. Just for time constraint, I'm just pausing and moving forward these videos. Once getting file for installation is over, the installing features will be also be getting completed. After that, installing updates, then it will be start finishing up the Windows installation. Now the installing updates has been completed, then it will be just moving to finishing up. Once it is getting finished up, the system will be getting restarted. As you can able to see, the Windows is starting loading here. You can able to see again the setup will be just getting continued. Let us see. Everything will be depending upon your hardware specification speeds. If you have low hardware, then if you have a low memory, main memory, that is a RAM, then it will be getting little slow here. Now we can able to see here. Now the things are getting ready. Now again the system has been getting restarted. These things may be taking time, depends upon your hardware. If you have plenty of new hardware, upgraded hardware, you can able to see these things. Installation are getting very rapidly faster. Once it is getting inside, it will ask your region. You select a region based on your country. I'm just selecting India, then click yes, then you give your keyboard layout. Is the right keyboard layout is US, you can select US or just you select English India, no issues. You click yes, then it will ask, do you need a additional second keyboard layout? Just you can add, or just you can able to skip it. I'm just skipping it. Now we have some important setup to do. It's starting to be completed soon. Still my installation is going on. Just is giving a message, sit back and relax. Please do not turn off your device. just it has been started completing this. Just a few moments is there to complete this. Now the system is got rebooting. So for the installation purpose, just I'm giving this, I clicking I don't have internet. Then I'm continuing with my limited setup. Just for installation purpose, for demo purpose, I'm doing like this. You can just continue with your internet and you can able to register your Windows OS with Microsoft. If you have any Hotmail IDs or live IDs, you can just register your Windows OS. Then just you start to set up for home and personal use. Then click next. Then just it will take another just few moments to complete your Windows installation. If you have your IDs, you can just able to give it ITpros at your IDs, any IDs like Hotmail or anything you can able to give like this. I don't have this mail actually, I'm just giving it for your demo purpose. Then click it with limited experience. Then start giving your name of your computer name. I'm just giving as ITpros like that. Then you click next and give your password, any password or anything. I'm just giving as a demo password. Then just give it remembrance like that. You can able to give your pet's name, anything which you remember. I'm just giving for a sample. I'm just giving some keywords for my sample. Just you complete this for a demo purpose only. Then you give it as not know anything, these things. Then last final setup, we are in the services stage. Just we are going to complete this Windows installation. Then you can able to find those things, choose your privacy settings like that. Based on the requirement, you can able to choose these settings and just you accept it. I'm just giving as for entertainment purpose and just continuing. Else you can able to skip it those steps also. It's not a problem. Then I'm just giving after no help getting you done. I'm just giving it's not now. We are in the final stage of installation setup of Windows. Is going to be entering in our Windows system. We are getting everything ready for you. Operating system is getting booting for the first time. This might take several minutes. Do not turn off your PC. Now the Windows is getting connected back to you. You can see the desktop. Just I'm giving the password which I have been given earlier. Just I'm logging into the Windows system. Now the Windows is being successfully installed in our Hyper-V. So you can able to see the desktop Hyper-V. Just see your desktop in the Hyper-V. So it is very simple and easy to continue using these windows in the Hyper-V. The more or less this type of windows are being used for multi-purpose tasks or study purpose. You can able to use these Hyper-V things. So you can able to use Hyper-V like these things. So thanks for watching this video, how to install Windows OS in the Hyper-V. If you like the video, share, subscribe and like it. Subscribe the video. Thank you.